Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We're the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count by making something your kids and even you will love. We're making healthy baked chicken strips.
Yes, and everyone knows that chicken is a protein, but did you know that protein is a macronutrient and vital, Mom, vital for kids' growth and development, and hey, maybe yours too.
Wow, I didn't know that. And research has shown that 1 in 7 school-age child does not meet their recommended daily protein intake goals.
Well, hopefully they'll meet it with this new recipe, and I'm guaranteed you're going to enjoy it. So let's get started. There's a bit of a process to this, so be patient, but let the road to yumminess begin. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees and coat a large baking sheet with cooking spray or a brush of oil of your choice on there. Just go for it.
And we'll set up 3 stations. The first station will be your all-purpose flour and salt mixture. The next will be your beaten eggs. And the egg is used to help use like a glue for the breadcrumbs to the flour layer.
Yes, it is. And the third step here, your last step, is what makes the chicken fingers super crunchy and the best part about it. So we're going to stir together our breadcrumbs, our paprika, our garlic powder, and salt. Set that to the side. Now we're going to drizzle olive oil or the oil of your choice over your breadcrumb mixture, then mix that thoroughly with your hands or with a fork, whatever is convenient for you. But we want to make sure all of the breadcrumbs are coated with the oil and the spices, get the most flavor as possible.
Absolutely. So we can just start the process with dipping the chicken, doing the flour, and the egg mixture, and the breadcrumbs.
Got it.
Continue with the remaining tenders and we'll go one at a time, dredging them to each station. We'll transfer the strips to the oven and bake until the chicken is cooked through.
There's no need to flip the baked chicken tenders because the breadcrumbs will prevent them from becoming soggy on the bottom. So go ahead and remove from the oven and enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. There you have it. This game changer and crowd pleaser is for everyone.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful recipes.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment or dip us a comment and let us know how you
make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.